Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you what you get in the castlearts Gold 120 pencil set. So I've got them in the tin, and these are a gold standard selection of the finest quality oil-based coloured pencils. Now you can actually get them also in a smaller set of about 72 pencils, and you can get them in a zip-up case as well, which I will show you in a little while. But first we'll just read what it says about these pencils on the back of the tin. It says, this deluxe set of 120 gold standard coloured pencils have silky smooth velvety soft leads. These exquisite gold pencils show reliability, durability and consistency every time you get the creative inputs. The oil-based non-toxic pencils have been named, numbered and colour-coded for instant recognition, and the soft touch finish and quality wood casings allow for ease of manoeuvrability and sharpening. This extensive range of primaries, tones and hues can easily be layered, shaded and blended, delivering endless possibilities bounded only by your imagination. That's quite a good description of them, because I have had these pencils before. So I will show you what's inside. Now they do a smaller set, like I said, so if you want to have a smaller set because you find the bigger set quite overwhelming, you can get these like in the 72 set, which is then also cheaper. So also if you find these quite expensive, you don't want to spend that much money, you can spend a little bit less. Also probably a good time to tell you, if you're ordering off the castlearts UK website, you can get 20% off with my code Sophie Colours. There is information at the end of this video, and the link is also in the description underneath the video. So inside this tin, the lid is hinged, so it's not going to get lost. You won't have to find somewhere to put it. It does close quite well, so if you're travelling with them, you put them in a bag, the lid isn't going to pop off. They're not going to all be all over your bag when you arrive at your destination. So inside you get some leaflets. This is about the coloured pencils, how to use them, tips and tricks, how to look after them. There's colour theory in there, there's inspiration, techniques you can use, blending the colours, then some inspiration at the back, things that you can try if you want to draw things. These are the pictures from the front of the box of the tin. See these pictures along the front? There's information in there if you want to try drawing them. There's a little guide to giving that a go. Some things that other people have drawn with these pencils. Information about their website. Also a leaflet all about the colours that they do in their other products. So this opens up, and then there is the guide if you want to draw the pictures on the front. So a little bit of inspiration there for you. This is the colour and product guide. Shows you everything that they make in the range, from pens, pencils, paints, and then all the colours that the different paints and pencils come in. There's a key at the top to say whether the colour is in the watercolours, the paints. They do fabric paint as well. Then also you get, which you get with all of castlearts pencils, the pencil tester sheet where the names and numbers are already printed on, so you can colour in the tester sheet. Now I've already got one coloured in here, so you can see a range of colours. That's what your sheet may look like when you have finished. So there's quite a few colours there. There's all the colours you need. I think in this set though there are slightly more browns and greys compared to the Soft Touch pencil set. So if you're drawing things like plants and people and pets and animals and buildings, maybe this set is more suitable than the Soft Touch set. I will just show you for comparison the Soft Touch colours. These are the Soft Touch colours. See, I don't think there's as many browns and greys, but in this set more browns and greys, whereas the Soft Touch set I think more blues. So if you tend to use more bright colours, maybe the Soft Touch set is better, but in this gold set they are the colours that you will get in the 120 set. So these are the pencils. Let's have a little look. They come in trays, and the trays have these little loops on the sides so that you can lift them out easily. And that's one tray. This is the second tray, and this is the third tray. And then they all just fit back in nicely. So those little loops on the sides of the trays are really handy for getting them out. So I'll just pop all of these back in, and then I will show you what you get in the zip up pouch, because if you order this set in the zip up pouch of 120 pencils, you get a little bit extra. Now the pouch of course costs a little bit more. Now I just thought that I would show you what you can actually do with these pencils. So this is a colouring book. It's the Universal Monsters colouring book, illustrated by Alan Robert, and these pictures I have coloured with the 120 gold pencil set by castlearts. That's the first page, and we've got Dracula's castle, and also Dracula himself. And then also I have drawn a picture. I did this about a year ago. This is a flower that I drew with those pencils, so that just gives you an idea of how they perform on the paper, what you could do with them. For the price, considering you get the pouch, because these pouches can be, you can buy them on their own, not from castlearts, but you can buy other pencil pouches that will hold pencils. They can be quite expensive. So this is the pouch, and it's not too big. Considering it is holding all of those pencils, it's not too big. It's not super solid, but there is some padding there, so your pencils are protected in this pouch. So it works out quite well, especially if you're using my code for 20% off. The price is not too bad for the extra that you pay. So the pencils will come already set out. You don't have to put them in. They're already in there. And I find it easy to just flip through and find the colours. Of course, in this set you get your usual leaflets, your pencil tester sheet like in the other set, but with this zip up set you also get 4 little sketch pads, and there's 20 sheets on each. They're A5 sized. So you get a white cartridge paper sketch pad, a black paper sketch pad, because these pencils do work on black paper, Bristol board paper sketch pad, that's quite thick paper, and then a beige portrait paper sketch pad. So they're the little extras that you get in this set if you buy the pouch. They do also do the zip up pouch in the smaller set, the 72. I'm not sure if you get the sketch pads in that set or not, because I haven't tried that. Haven't tried that amount of pencils, so I'm not sure about that. So that is today's video, just to show you what you will get if you order these pencils. I hope that's helped you to decide if they're for you or not, if you'd like to try them. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.